Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Pencil by BK. My name is Prakash Kanjari and daily vlog upload in English language, and that is my personality develop and how can I change to my next day. Okay. Definitely 1% I change, and that's why I'm a 365-day challenge in a daily base English vlog in my daily life routine and everyone each other not matter to how can I speak in English. There is the matter the my discipline, dedication, determination. There is the, my three words is my favorite words in my vocab, in my real life vocab. And today is the unacceptation for myself. Why? Because I start off my personal diary, write a diary in 22 10 2025, approximately Diwali. At the time I decided my life is a change only for 1%, day by day. 2 minute video upload, finally upload. No matter which one word are right, which pronouns is a right, but that is the improvement is a definitely. My body language is the change. My eye contact are change. My shoulder expressions change. That is the consistency. And lots of efforts, everyone person, but that is the not improvement. Why? Because your intentions are a bad. That is the reality of the society. And today I pass my affirmation. Why? Because my two affirmation right now in my personal diary, two is done. Approximately 2025 to continue in the next Deepavali 2026, I am a 30 plus affirmation in my not diary, but two is only for 14 days to clear and pass. Why? Because I live my dreams. I live my affirmation. And that is the change of my affirmation, my whole personality. I say, you are right, your affirmation. Please, you note down your diary and write your affirmation. You can change your life. No anyone other person change for you. Why? You are to think a society, but society are not think for you. That is the finally in my experience in a 25-year age. So, but which one acceptation for society? Your acceptation are your society says you are a new beginning in your life. You are the right path of your work. But why? Why society are acceptation for you? That is the reality of society. I know my 14 vlogs, I spend of my time in a daily 2-3 minutes. Why? Because I no matter which one person you says comment that your English is not good. But one day you person says for me, anyone person for me, my English is not good. But one day I change my English. But I start now. That is my practice. That is my self-satisfaction. That is my motivation. No one motivation speaker bounce back, bounce back, bounce back. That is the not reality of society. Not reality for yourself. You are not 100% sure for yourself. That is the change of society. And I say, lots of personality, lots of a knowledgeable person, but not a determination, not a dedication, not a discipline in made a daily basis. That is the my 13 day to be continue. Next month I have to be continue 13 day and upload a video in English vlog daily base. But I break the one day. After start a new 0 to 365 day. That is my challenge. That is the break of my mindset. That is the reality of society. And day 15, and this is my life changing vlog in English. Why? My English consistency and my fluency is very improvement. And I accept for my result. I watch my result in my YouTube channel. Subscribers and comment section and the likes. I feel it. That is my truly talk for in this English vlog. Thank you so much you watch my English vlog in a day 15, but dedication in your field life. Only for one suggest for you, you are the daily one vlog and daily one work and 1% you are build a empire. That is my perspective. That is my personality. Okay. Thank you so much. You watch my day 15 English vlog. Thank you so much, dear.